The project to implement the stationary vibration monitoring system COMPACS was launched in 2019. To date, the COMPACS system has been implemented on 819 pieces of rotating equipment across 13 technological units of PAU, PGP, PGPN and PKS. The purpose of implementing this project is to ensure the timely detection of defects and malfunctions in the technological condition of the plant's rotating equipment. The stationary vibration monitoring system COMPACS is designed to provide a safe, resource-saving technology for operating machinery, to prevent accidents, production malfunctions, and to manage the technical condition of equipment through continuous computer monitoring, diagnostics and forecasting of its technical state. The system operates automatically without human intervention. Diagnostics, monitoring and forecasting of the technical condition of units are performed with recommendations provided for the next necessary actions regarding the equipment, technological personnel and operator station. This system also features the diagnostic system COMPACS-Net, which allows engineers and mechanics to monitor and control the condition of rotating equipment from their workstations. The implementation of this project will allow us to increase the reliability of rotating equipment and transition to maintenance based on actual technical condition.
I would like to introduce to you the COMPACS system, the COMPACS diagnostic and monitoring system, which makes it possible to prevent potential malfunctions and equipment failures, detect developing defects, and plan repairs and switching to a backup unit in advance.
Regarding the COMPACS system, I want to say that, first and foremost, in my opinion, it protects equipment from serious breakdowns, because now we have access to parameters of components that were previously unavailable to us. They were not. And secondly, I believe it simplifies the work of the staff.